The installation process of the Delta Leland can be a little tricky due to its particular design, but with a little visual aid, it should only take you minutes to complete. Welcome to ShoultIT Kitchen Faucet Series. Hello all, and welcome to another video from ShoultIT DIY series. This time, we're installing the Delta Leland 9178 DST single handle pull down kitchen faucet. Let's do it. These are the components when you open up the box. Use the deck plate to cover the extra holes in 3-hole installation. Here, we only use the hub base. Put the mounting bracket and mounting nut onto the main shaft. And notice the correct direction and the space for the supply lines on the bracket. Use the included tool to tighten the mounting nut. Put the weight on the hose, then connect the sprayer hose with the main water line. Push the joint together until it stops and secure with the clip. Use Teflon tape when necessary and connect the water supply lines and tighten with a wrench. Now finish up by running water and checking for leaks, and you're all done. And that's how we install the Delta Leland 9178 DST kitchen faucet. Click like if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing and donating to support our team. See the descriptions below for more information and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thanks for watching ShoultIT. We'll see you in the next video.